welcome to Teacher Fashion on LOCKett. I am Miss LOCKett, the founder and CEO of Teacher Fashion on LOCKett. Y'all, this is just a quick video. It's my fave types of videos to do, y'all. It's an unpackaging video, period. Alright, y'all, so this unpackaging video is so special because what I'm going to be unpacking, can't show y'all the front, it has my address on it, is one of my friend's products. And I know you guys have heard me talk about it if you follow me on social media or whatever the case may be. So the product that I am talking about, y'all, is my Carrye. Make sure y'all can see that. My Carrye butters. All right. So these are the ones that I've already used. Y'all look at this. This butter is so good. I already gone through this jar. And I did. Gone. Y'all see this? Gone. My skin absolutely love this butter. Let me say this also right now. This video is not a paid promo or anything. This is just something that I wanted to do. That I just want to do for my friend, because y'all, this butter is amazing and I feel like everybody need to know about this body butter. Y'all know I take skincare seriously. I do not play about my skin. So skincare is very vital to me. So I'm just not going to be using any and everything, and I'm not just going to be promoting or telling you guys to use these products and they're not. And I ain't. But anyway, let's get back to this butter. So I used that jar up, and now, y'all, I'm on this jar. Y'all, this butter is amazing. Now, these two were, this was cocoa mango. So yes, guys, those two jars were cocoa mango. All right, so let's get into this unpackaging, y'all. This is really why I'm doing this video, because I want to unpack it, because y'all, I'm just excited. Y'all know I love to get packages. All right, we're gonna unpack this. I'm gonna hold it down because it has my address on it. Don't want to expose myself. It's packed nice, baby. It is secured. It is secured, baby. The butter is gonna get to you. All right, y'all. Oh, I'm so excited. So let's see what we got up in this bag, y'all.
The world is in that bag. What you got in that bag?
All right. Let's see. Oh my God. Okay. Y'all, the envelope smell good. So I'm just excited to see what's going on in this bag here. All right. Oh my God. Y'all, look at this. I love this. This is so cute. Your support is such a blessing. Oh my God. That's so cute. I love that. Look at that cute little sticker that she sent y'all. So cute. And y'all, in the inside of this, she has information about herself, about her butter, and she have information. Y'all, let me tell y'all this product, why this product is so awesome. It is a story behind this product. Now, I didn't get permission to read this, so I'm not. Y'all, when y'all order y'all Carrye butter, y'all gonna get one of these and then you guys can see the story, because I didn't ask for permission. Yeah, so in here she thank you guys for your support, and then she has a story about herself, about the owner, the CEO. And oh, I do love this. I am gonna read this. She says, this product was formulated out of love and a desire to share with the world my recipe for beautiful, healthy skin. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, skincare is everything. But yeah, it just have like information in here and how to store your products. So yeah, this is so awesome. I'm gonna put all her links down at the bottom. I'm gonna put her Facebook link, and I'm also gonna put the link to her Etsy store so you guys can check these butters out. Okay, all right, y'all, so we just gonna go through here and see what she sent us. Okay, y'all, they so cute. They come in these cute little containers. Let me say this, since Christmas is coming up, y'all, these are the perfect gifts, perfect gifts to put in your stockings, to mail off to your family and friends. Y'all, perfect. All right, so let's get into this to see what she sent us. All right, y'all, so ooh, y'all, oh my God, baby. Y'all, rosemary eucalyptus. Baby, I am ready already to tag into this one. Y'all know, oh my God. Y'all know I love eucalyptus. It already took the stress away. You hear me? Oh my God. I want to try this right now. Oh my God. I had to dig into that. Y'all, this butter so look at this. Look how moisturized this makes this. Y'all, oh my God. Carmen. That smells so good. Oh my God. Okay, y'all. So let's get through this. Y'all know I get distracted easily. All right, y'all. So this is the Carrye butter, and this particular one is rosemary eucalyptus. I already love this. I know this gonna be gone. I'm gonna have to make another order. All right. Now this one, look at this cute little sample. This one right here, y'all. This is, what is this one called? So this one is clary sage, sandalwood, and grapefruit. Ooh, let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all gotta get into these. This is so cute. Look how cute they are. All right, y'all, the next one, y'all. This one right here is apple fritter. Ooh, it's giving me fall vibes. Let's see. Let's see. Oh my God. Girl, how do you get these butters to smell this good? Oh my God. I want to try all of them. Lord. Jesus. Oh my God. All right, apple fritter. I like that one, Carrye butter. All right, y'all. We have one more. Let's see what else she sent us. All right, and this one, y'all, lavender vanilla. Oh, I love vanilla everything, and I love lavender. Lavender soothes you. It calms you. So, yeah, let's see. Girl.
Ooh, this is nice. Girl. This all this is you right here?
Y'all gonna have to get into these Carrye butters. Y'all, I have Carrye butter on right now. No other lotions, nothing else. That's all I have on my skin is Carrye lotion, all I've been using. Y'all, this is an awesome body butter. Like, I highly recommend this product. Highly recommend this product. And I've been using it for, what? How long I've been using it? Probably for like 3 or 2 months. I don't know. But I've been using it for a while. But yes, y'all, this butter is amazing, y'all. I'm gonna leave her Instagram, her Facebook, all her social media handles in the description, y'all. But yes, these butters are amazing. Your skin will love it. Let me tell you this, y'all. I used to use multiple products on my body. I would use like a lotion and an oil just to get the moist that I want. But ever since I've been using Carrye butter, this is all I've been using on my skin. All I've been using on my skin. And let me tell you this, when you moisturize your body, don't just moisturize certain parts of your body. I think I said that body. Moisturize your full body. Even if you're putting on pants, long sleeve, moisturize your body. Moisturize your whole body. But yes, I love this body butter. It make my skin feel rejuvenated, make my skin feel moisturized. And y'all, when I tell y'all, my skin stay like this all day. It stay moisturized like this all day just from using this body butter. So look, y'all, get into these Carrye butters. Get into them. Don't say I didn't tell y'all. Get into y'all. I don't want this video to be long. I just want to really like do this video. I hope my friend don't mind that I did this video, but yeah, I just really want to do it, y'all. I could not just keep this butter to myself. Like, I want the world to know, just like she want the world to know about her products. I want the world to know about this product because it is amazing. And I'm not just saying this because this is my friend, y'all. Y'all, this butter is amazing. okay? You gotta add this to your skincare regimen. But anywho, y'all, these are my Carrye bee butters. Don't say I did not tell you. I'm gonna leave everything in the description, and y'all gonna have to get into them. I'm trying to hold out for them, but I can't. Y'all gonna have to get into them. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for all your love and support of Teacher Fashion On LOCKett. Y'all support y'all small businesses, especially Black-owned businesses. But yeah, y'all, I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And y'all, Miss LOCKett is gonna see you guys in the next video. And when y'all see my skin looking all good and radiant like it do right now, y'all best to know that I'm using Carrye bee butter. All right, y'all, I got to go. I'm supposed to be going to the mall. I don't even know if I'm gonna do that anymore, y'all. But anywho, y'all, see you guys in the next video. Bye. Get your Carrye bee butter.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Teacher Fashion On _ETC.